Okay, new day, new attitude, new perspective. Let's just recap where we've gotten. Took off a lot of the rivets back here. Found these two things here I thought were bolts. Actually on the inside they are a bolt with a nut on them, but this is just like soft plastic or something, so not sure what I'm going to do about that. So a couple of things I've concluded is that looks like I'm going to have to cut some welds somewhere. Probably down through here. And I don't know what all this has come up maybe. So anyway, what I really conclude I got to do is I've got to get all this out of here. So that's what I'm going to do first today. And I found out there are 2 batteries in this thing. I just didn't see the second one back there. It's a lot of wires for so few accessories on a boat. But anyway, we'll get all those out of there and we'll cut these welds and go from there. And then of course I've got to get some what I think are rather large or rather long rivets, closed-in rivets. So we'll have to get some of those, put this thing back together. But for now, all this is going to come out. I don't know where all this stuff goes to right now. What's on the starting battery, what's on the trolling motor battery. So I'm going to leave them all together. So I go back and put it back together. We'll sort it all out then. Put the nut back on there so I don't lose it. Can't believe how much stuff is on one battery. Wow, the power off this battery, round off that one. That's interesting. Alright, no time to worry about that now. Alright, so one round. Just change colors here. Maybe I'll remember the purple goes to the back. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll watch the video, huh? Oops, twisted somewhere. I think this battery back here was running the anchor, which I took off. So I'll end up pulling those wires out. Take the anchor off, put it on the other boat. Back on there so I don't lose it. You think they have the same size studs, but they don't. I want that nut or something. Alright. So what I don't like is this black wire is on the positive side. And that'll just add confusion later. But it's documented in the video, so maybe I'll remember. I'll trace it out, figure out what it goes to, and deal with it then. That just leaves this big wire. This is jumping my positive to my positive. Okay. I forgot what that means in series or in parallel, but I'll look it up again so I can put them back that way. Wow. I don't know how I'm going to get all that out of there. Charger. Maybe that can stay, maybe that can't. I'm going to cut the video off there and try to figure out what I'm going to do to make this manageable. Alright, so I lifted both the batteries out. Still got a pile of wires I'm going to have to deal with. Look at this ground here. It's got a key switch on it. Turn it on and off. So I don't know what all that mess there is, but get the gas tank out. It's a portable unit. You know, got this nice handle on it down here. And there's the key. But of course, when you go lift it up, it hits the back there. So we got to lift it from the rear. We got a little bit of fuel in it. Spin it around. Knock the batteries out of the way. And hopefully, whew, a little tight on it. Let's take it back down. Let's put it on its side. Alright. Well, gas tank out. I don't know if I needed to or not, but I did. Put this over here somewhere with the batteries. So, let's see what we got now. Okay, I hope to show you what I got here. Not too bad down here, but here's what we're looking at. Okay, and there's a rivet here. Let's see if y'all can see my hand here. Can't find. Okay, so we got a rivet high and rivet low, rivet high, rivet low. And over here at the bilge pump, which is really a work of art in itself, all taped up. But anyway, again, two rivets, high and low. Let's see, there they are right there. High one and low one. And high one and low one all the way down. Don't know what kind of video I'm getting. I got the screen upside down to me, but anyway, here's what we got. A mess. And gonna keep trying to break it out, trying to figure out how to get it out. There's rivets high, rivets in the middle. So what I'm seeing over here is rivets. Where's my hand? There we go. A set of rivets here and a set of rivets here. So these I don't look like I need to take out, and these it looks like I do. So again, not these, but the top ones. I already chiseled a couple of these off with the hammer and chisel. So I'm going to get these top ones and then go back to figuring out what it is I'm trying to do in here. Okay, just by way of review, in case I didn't mention it, after I chisel the heads off of these rivets, I'm punching them out with a punch. So chiseling them off seems to be easier than trying to drill them off, because the drill bit walks on me. So I'm pushing them out, and I'll show you right here by the bilge pump. You should be able to see this one here is starting to come out right there. So I'm pushing it out, and I've pushed a lot of these out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm chiseling the heads off and punching them out with a punch. I don't know when the battery ran out on that other one. I tried on this middle section right here. I'm going to take all 4 of these out, see if I can get that thing just drop out of there. But don't you know, 1 out of the 4 had to break off and not break off like I needed to. Rigid side grinder. I like my rigid tools. That thing there is awesome. Also brand new. Oh yeah, that comes right out of there. Gotta get that bilge pump out of the way somehow. I'm not sure what holds it on. We'll figure it out. See if I can't show you something anyway. And I'm not certain how it comes out, but there's a drain plug or something down here on the back side of it. Might just be another access point. I don't really see what's got it. It might screw on from the front. Let's take a look at that and see what we think. So we're dealing with this. Man, it's got so much stuff on it. How would you know? Alright, I gotta go figure this out. Alright, so I ripped a little piece off the end here, and then I put some channel locks on here. And it looks like that might be what keeps it in there. It's just somebody's covered it up in, I don't know, something to keep it sealed, I guess. And then paint it. You can put lipstick on a pig, but it's still a pig, right?